What's up everyone? Welcome back to new notifications. Today I'm transforming my room into the coziest place on earth, on a tiny budget. I handed my friend a credit card with a tiny limit and said, buy everything we need for this challenge. Can we turn a boring room into a warm sanctuary you never want to leave? Let's find out. This isn't just about looks, it's about creating a space that feels like a warm hug. We're diving into Cozymaxxing, the art of making your space as comfortable and inviting as possible. 7 challenges, each designed to level up your room's cozy factor from lighting to personal touches. Every tip is easy and wallet-friendly. By the end, you'll have your own personal sanctuary. Ready to Cozymaxx your room? Let's go. First person to tag me gets a shout-out. First up. Lighting. Harsh overhead lights. Gone. I literally unscrewed the bulb. We're replacing it with epic, warm, soft lighting, the foundation of Cozymaxxing. I sent Chris to 5 stores with just $20. He came back with fairy lights, a thrifted lamp, and candles. We're draping fairy lights around the window and headboard, stuffing some in a glass jar for a magical glow. The lamp? $5, warm tone bulb only. No blue light allowed. Instantly the room feels like a warm cave instead of a sterile box. Candles are the ultimate cozy hack. Just be safe. 10 tea lights for $2, placed in safe spots, make the shadows dance. Layer your light. Fairy lights up high. Lamp in a corner. Candles scattered for depth and warmth. We spent less than $20 and the transformation is unreal. On screen, before and after. The difference is night and day. Lighting is the cheapest, fastest way to change your space. It's non-negotiable. Your challenge. Find 3 sources of warm light. String lights, a lamp, candles, whatever you can. Layer them for a cozy, inviting vibe. Forget the overhead light exists. Once you try this, you'll never go back. Step 1. Complete. On to the next challenge. Lighting set, but now it's time to make the room feel cozy. Layered textiles. We're adding so many soft things, it'll feel like living in a cloud. With a $30 budget, we hit thrift stores and clearance aisles for the fluffiest blankets and pillows. The secret? Mix and match textures. Chunky knit, fleece, faux fur. Layer them on the bed for instant luxury. Next, pillows, velvet, cotton, shaggy. Pile them high for that 5-star hotel vibe. A soft rug is essential. We found a plush shag rug for $15 and placed it by the bed. Sheer curtains for $7 soften the light and add another layer of coziness. Now, every surface invites you to curl up and relax. The room is a symphony of textures. Chunky knit, smooth fleece, faux fur, velvet, cotton, and shag. It's not just about looks, it's about how it feels to be here. Cozymaxxing Level 2, complete. The room is soft and glowing, but it still feels generic. Time for Challenge 3, make it personal. This is where your personality shines. The budget, $0. We shopped our own lives for meaningful items. Photos, souvenirs, childhood mementos. Print your favorite photos and create a wall grid with washi tape. Cheap, damage-free, and super personal. Display objects that tell your story. A rock from a hike, a concert ticket, a childhood figure. Use a shelf for a happiness display. Each item has a memory. Art doesn't have to be expensive. Print a favorite image or use a postcard in a thrifted frame. Stack your favorite books with a plant on top for a stylish personal touch. By the end, the room is filled with your memories and interests. This is what turns a space into a true sanctuary. Cozymaxxing is about filling your room with things you genuinely love. We've nailed sight and touch, but what about smell? Challenge 4. Create a signature scent. With just $15 we found warm vanilla and sandalwood candles at a discount store. Pick scents you love, don't just follow trends. We grabbed a $10 USB essential oil diffuser and a small bottle of lavender oil. A few drops fill the room with a gentle, relaxing mist. DIY room spray, easy. Water, a few drops of oil, and a spray bottle. Mist your pillows for instant calm. Incense and wax melts are great for variety. Switch up scents for different moods. Now the room is a full sensory experience. Warm lights, soft textures, and a comforting aroma. Your sanctuary should care for all your senses. Scent challenge complete. This room is getting dangerously cozy. Next up, declutter and organize. A messy room kills the cozy vibe. The goal isn't minimalism, it's making sure everything has a home. We tackled the wardrobe, dirty clothes in the hamper, clean ones hung up or folded, closet hack turn hangers backward. After wearing, hang them right way. In 6 months, donate what's still backward. For random stuff, chargers, pens, coins, we use cheap baskets and trays for drop zones. Papers, magazine files, keep them sorted and off the desk. Under the bed, pulled everything out, stored what we needed in shallow boxes. Wall hooks for bags, hats, or tomorrow's outfit free up floor space. The room feels bigger, calmer, and more intentional. Decluttering didn't add cozy, but it created the foundation for it. Secret weapon of Cozymaxxing, a tidy space. The room is clean, personal, and smells amazing, but let's get creative. Challenge 6, DIY decor. With just $10 we made custom art and decor that's totally unique. First, abstract wall art, cheap canvas, craft paint, and big brush strokes. No rules, just play. Next, upcycling. A thrifted glass vase, painted with baking soda and leftover wall paint for a ceramic look. Air-dry clay became a jewelry dish and a candle holder, handmade, full of character. Found a cool tree branch outside, hung it on the wall, and used string and clothespins to display photos. DIY is about having fun and making your space special. Now, the room is filled with one-of-a-kind pieces that tell your story. This is how you get a designer look on a YouTuber's budget. Peak Cozymaxxing. Final challenge, add life. Literally, we're bringing in plants. Plants add color, texture, and freshness. Don't worry if you're not a plant person. With $10 we found the most unkillable plants. A $5 snake plant, air purifying, low maintenance, and a $4 pothos, trailing, forgiving. For the truly plant-averse, we grabbed a $1 faux eucalyptus stem for our DIY vase. Just 1 or 2 plants make a huge difference. Break up straight lines, add natural color, and make the space feel vibrant. Place a small plant on your desk, a trailing one on a shelf, or a big one in a corner. Plants are living sculptures that enhance your space. With greenery, the room feels fresh, clean, and alive. Cozymaxxing transformation complete. Let's see the final reveal. And there you have it. From boring box to cozy sanctuary, 7 simple, budget-friendly challenges. You don't need a ton of money, just creativity and the secrets of Cozymaxxing. Now it's your turn. Try these tips, tag me with your before and afters, and share your own hacks in the comments. Let's build the world's biggest collection of cozy ideas together. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. More insane challenges and budget ideas are coming your way. Thanks for watching. Go get cozy. See you in the next video.